Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add motion blur in Capcut PC on all clips at once. So first thing that you will do is of course go to your Capcut with all the clips ready. Now guys, this is just an example video. And now in order for you to add a motion blur on each clip, you can just simply select it. And if we scroll down under the video and basic, we should be able to have here motion blur. And after that, it will apply the motion blur. But this is just for one video. And now if you want to do it all at once, you could just simply go ahead and go to the top left over here and go to the effects. And now here, just simply search for motion. Now here, you should be able to see here motion blur. Just simply select this one and you could just simply select the download icon and select plus. And now, of course, if it's too much, you could just simply adjust it based on your preferences. And now you could just simply adjust the strength as well. And now guys, here you will have this tab. So of course, just make sure to put it on multiple clips to apply it all at once. And you should be able to have the motion blur. And that's pretty much it. After that, you could just simply go ahead and click on export and just simply export it out. There you go. See ya.